A very good morning to all of you. I hope you all are safe and fine at your places. Students, as we have done chapter number 1, today let us start chapter number 2, the respiratory system. So, as we all know that our body need energy to do different work. In chapter number 1, we have learned how digestion helps to get energy from the food. But do you know the respiratory system also participate in releasing energy? So we will discuss in this session that how respiratory system helps to take energy from the food. So to get energy, our food required oxygen to break down the food. So the process of breaking down of food with the help of oxygen to release energy is known as respiration. And that respiration involves two processes that are inhaling and exhaling. In inhaling, we take in oxygen, and in exhaling, we give out carbon dioxide. Also, we will learn about organs of respiratory system. So there are organs such as nose, windpipe, bronchi, lungs and diaphragm. These all involves in the respiratory system. As you can see, your nose, our respiration starts from the nose and we breathe through the nose. It connects the lungs through the windpipe. The opening of the nose are known as nostrils, and air enters from the nose through these nostrils, and hair and mucus are also present in the nose, as you can see also. And what is the function of these hair and mucus? The function of these hair and mucus are they prevent dust and dirt from entering the nose when we breathe in. Windpipe, the next organ is windpipe. It connects the nose and mouth to the lungs. ठीक है? And that is also known as trachea. It means windpipe को एक दूसरे नाम से भी जानते हैं जो है trachea. It splits into two main branches called bronchi. इसकी दो ब्रांचेस हैं जिसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? ब्रांचेस. लेफ्ट ब्रांचेस और राइट ब्रांचेस. ठीक है? एंड ईच एंटर इनटू द लंग्स. एज वी नो वी हैव टू लंग्स, एंड लेफ्ट लंग हैव लेफ्ट ब्रांची and right lung have right branch, and these branches are pipes through which air passes to reach the lungs. मतलब ये एक पाइप्स हैं जिसके थ्रू एयर जो है वो पूरे लंग्स में स्प्रेड करती है. और लंग्स जो है वो भी जैसे मैंने बताया कि इट इज़ ऑफ टू, द राइट लंग एंड द लेफ्ट लंग्स. एंड व्हाट आर लंग्स? दे आर स्पॉन्जी balloon like structure. When we breathe in oxygen, the lungs absorb the oxygen and give it to the blood, and the blood spread it to whole part of the body. Next is diaphragm. Diaphragm is a dome shaped muscular wall below the lungs. It is the muscle that works with the lungs to breathe in or breathe out. It means without diaphragm we can't breathe. So today you will learn the name of these organs, the function of these organs, and also you will read the process of respiration. This is you have done in the 4th class also. Okay, so with this diagram you need to do the assignment questions and this practice zone 1. Thank you and take care.